Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to MD Arman Computer Institute. Today our subject is computer shortcut keys for MS Word. How to use A to Z basic. Class number 4. So let's open our file. Okay, I make it before. All these things I make before for short video. Okay, so we will read here first, so we will know. Third, MS Word is basic computer software and seems to be the easiest one to work on it. However, there is a complete list. This is list, okay, of computer shortcut keys that makes typing on MS Word easier and enjoyable. All computer shortcut keys related to MS Word are given below. Check out the table given below to know the shortcut keys used in MS Word. Okay, so how you will use these shortcut keys? See, I will show you. Control B, bold highlighted selection. Okay, when you want to bold any paragraph or any line, you have to first select. Okay, first you have to select, then go to your keyboard, Control B. Okay, see, it is now bold. Control B meaning bold. When you want to any paragraph or any line you want to bold, so it is like this. Okay, first you have to select, then Control B. Okay guys, then Control C. First you have to select which paragraph or which line you want to copy. You have to first select. Okay, then I select here from here and I copy. Control C. Then I go to one blank sheet. I paste here. Okay, so Control C, this purpose. Then Control X, cut select text. So you have to first select same thing, paragraph or line, which one you want to cut. So I select and Control X. I'll go to there. Again I keep here. See, now it is no anymore here. Okay, so we'll repeat it here. Control V. Okay guys, then Control N, open new blank document. Okay, when you want to open a new Word file, so just go to your keyboard and press Control N. See, now it is blank, new page open. Okay, then Control O, open option. Go to your keyboard and Control O. There is so many things I don't want to explain here because I will make another video. Okay, if I explain also these things, then this video will be very long. Okay, then Control P, open the print window. When you want to print any pages, then go to Control P. Okay, see, there is print option. You have to select the printer, which printer you want to print out. Okay, so this is what this for this purpose. Then Control F, open file box. So go to your keyboard and press Control F. Okay, then open new blank document, control N, this new document. Okay, then control O, open option. So control I, italicize highlighted selection. First you have to highlight which paragraph or which line you want to italic. Then control I, see it is changed now. See this one and this one now change. Okay, then control K, insert link. Just click here, control K, insert link. You can insert the link from here. For example I will show you this one. Okay, just click OK. See this now like link. Okay, go back. Okay, then underline highlighted selection, control U. You have to first select which paragraph or which line you want to underline, then control U. Control U. See, it is now, there is a line. Okay, then control V, first for example if you want to copy and paste, so for the paste control V. Okay, then control G, find and replace option. So just control G. See, there is a one option for find and replace. Okay, then control H, find and replace option. This actually same thing, just separate. Then control J, justify paragraph element. Control J, see is here. Okay, also you have to look at my culture where I keep, so you will know my explain. Okay, then control and L, align selected text or line to the left. Okay, control L, see it is here. Huh? Okay guys, then go to control Q, align selected paragraph to the left. So control Q, already it is left. Okay, for example we keep here, now here. If you want left side, then control Q, see you can. Then control E, region selected text or line to the center. Just click here and highlight it and control E. It is now center. If you need right side, same thing, control R. See? Okay guys,